Welcome back to Quizzious. It's video number 4 of the religious quiz series. Let's have 20 true or false questions about Islam. Before we get started, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Let's begin. The Quran was revealed to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ in one single night. This is a false statement. The correct statement is that the Quran was revealed over 23 years. The first revelation of Quran was sent down in the month of Ramadan. Yes, this is a true statement. Muslims believe that the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ wrote the Quran himself. No, this is a false statement. Muslims believe the Quran is the speech of God and revealed to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. There are 30 chapters in the Quran. No, this is a false statement. Quran has 114 chapters. The Islamic calendar is based on the lunar system. Yes, this is true. The Islamic calendar is based on the lunar cycle. Alcohol is completely forbidden in Islam. Yes, this is a true statement. The Quran and Hadith are two primary sources of Islamic teaching. Exactly, this is true. Women in Islam are required to change their names after marriage. No, this is false. In reality, there is no such restriction in Islam. Muslims believe the existence of the Day of Judgment. Yes, this is true. The Quran states that Adam was the first human and the prophet. Great! This is a true statement. The Islamic calendar is 365 days long. No, this is false. The Islamic calendar has 354 or 355 days because it is based on the lunar cycle. The majority of the Quran was revealed in Mecca. Yes, this is true. The reward of performing Hajj is having all past sins forgiven. Yes, this is true. Muslims face the direction of Medina when praying. No, this is false. Muslims face the direction of Mecca when praying. In Islam, interest in financial transaction is forbidden. Yes, this is true. Islam promotes interest-free transactions. The Battle of Badr was the first major battle in Islamic history. Great! This is a true statement. Fasting during Ramadan is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Yes, It's true. The pilgrimage is performed in the month of Muharram. No, this is false. It is performed in the month of Zilhajjah. Eid al-Fitr is celebrated at the end of Hajj. No, this is false. Eid al-Fitr is celebrated after the month of Ramadan. The Islamic declaration of faith is called Shahada. Yes, this is true. Here we go. What's your score? Tell us in the comments below. Like and subscribe to Quizzious for more interesting videos like this. Thanks for watching.